Welcome back. The pair that we're going to be reviewing today is Euro USD. Now, I picked this pair because it's a very popular pair that a lot of people like to trade. So I want to go ahead and show you my breakdown as to why I entered a really profitable trade and what my thought process was behind this pair. Now, the area that I want to highlight first is this overbought area on the RSI, right? This lets me know where my potential points of interest are going to be. So now that we've highlighted a potential point of interest, I want to go ahead and dive deeper on a smaller time frame as to what it is that I'm really looking at, right? So I see that price started to create some level of weakness, right? Price was actually pushing below some lows and it created a level of imbalance. This level of imbalance acts as a market magnet, right? Price is likely to come into at least 50%, if not to fill in the entire level of imbalance before continuing its push downward. So here, I can anticipate price rallying into this level of imbalance, potentially consolidating a little bit, and then pushing down lower for our final continuation on that bearish move. Now, from the previous screen, you can see that I was already in the trade, right? I was in that trade from the first touch. Now, this is where patience pays, right? Because price actually came back up a second time to revisit that same area before it actually started dropping down. And here we can see that it just created a massive melt. Price was way too overbought for it to stay up there. And that massive drop actually resulted in some profits for me. Now, thanks for joining me. If you're enjoying these short and quick, simple setups, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see on the next one, and we'll go ahead and take care of that for you. Thanks.